usapang sasakyan ulit. Being one of the necessities para sa atin, especially sa panahon ngayon, is yung pagkakaroon ng sariling means of transportation. Pwedeng bike, motor, or even sasakyan o kotse. Di lang pang personal na gamit, pwede rin gamitin sa negosyo na mapagkakakitaan. Pero paano nga pa mag-acquire ng sarili mong sasakyan? Well, syempre, pwede ka naman bumili ng sasakyan in cash. Pwede mo siyang bayaran in full cash. Pero paano naman if walang pang cash o tight budget? Or simply, mas preferred mo lang na hulugan at di kailangan maglabas ng malaking cash on the spot. Yan ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon, and it's about kung paano mag-apply ng car loan. This is JJ, marketing professional dito sa Toyota Otis. Auto loan, financing, bank, PO, marami pang iba. Maraming ways or tawag sa pag-apply ng loan. But we'll be talking about the very basic dealer financing. This is perhaps the easiest and most convenient way to apply or acquire your desired vehicle. Bakit? Ito yan. Mapa-employed, business owner, freelancer, online seller, or kahit yung mga tumatanggap ng remittance from abroad, pwede kayo mag-apply for an auto loan dito sa Toyota Otis. Take note, every customer profile or source of income would also require different requirement or supporting documents. So starting with the inquiry, syempre karamihan sa atin, lalo na yung mga first-time car buyer, wala pa halos idea sa mga sasakyan or better yet, sa pag-a-apply ng auto loan. So, the first thing to do is talk with the experts. Here at Toyota Otis, we take pride in providing our clients the best service possible. We call this serbisyong may puso. We make sure that our clients will feel welcome pagpasok pa lang ng pinto. Dito, tutulungan namin kayo mag-decide for the right Toyota car na pwede nyong i-apply, and after that, we're off to the application part. You just have to fill up our auto loan application form with the correct details. This includes your personal details and pati na rin yung details ng source of income mo. Take note, mas kompleto ang details sa application form, mas okay. Then we will also be asking for the requirements na isasubmit din natin sa bank along with the application form. Ito yung sinasabi ko na magkakaibang type of requirements depende sa profile or source of income mo. Kung ikaw ay locally employed, private man yan or government man yan, ito ang mga basic requirements na dapat meron ka. Unang-una, 2 primary government IDs. Pangalawa, yung Certificate of Employment. Primary government ID, ito yung mga ID kagaya ng driver's license, passport, SSS, national ID yan. Mga voters ID, PhilHealth, Pag-ibig, yan yung secondary IDs. Most of the time, ang preferred ng mga bangko is yung mga primary IDs. Yung COE mo naman should be recently issued lang and must consist the details of your position, tenure, pati na rin ang compensation or yung salary. These requirements na kailangan natin i-provide is however not limited, and banks may ask for additional requirements if needed nila to justify your source of income or other details. Other source of income like business owners may provide PTI, business permit or mayor's permit instead of COE. Also, if business owner ka, importante meron kang bank statement or bank savings and mag-provide ka ng 3 months latest bank statement. Again, hindi rin ito limited. Pwede ring hanapan ng bank ng iba pang requirements if kailangan nila. How about the co-maker or co-borrower? Required din ba ito? Well, yes and no. As long as di naman required ng bank ang co-maker, then you can simply apply as single borrower. Otherwise, need natin mag-provide ng co-maker or co-borrower. Siyempre, kailangan din niya mag-fill up ng application form and mag-submit ng requirements. Now, regarding sa down payment and monthly. Down payment is required and normally this is around 20% of the SRP ng sasakyan. The other half or yung 80% is yung amount to be financed. And dito kino-compute yung magiging monthly mo. Pwede ka rin mag-apply for a higher DP like 25 or 30%. Depende sa preference mo para bumaba yung monthly mo. You can also choose your preferred term for your monthly. Normally, there's 5, 4, and 3 years ang term. Pwedeng naka-auto-debit from your bank account or pwede ka rin mag-issue ng post-dated checks. Depende sa bank na nag-approve ng auto loan mo, yung banko na pwede mong gamitin for the auto-debit. Then once nag-agree na tayo sa down and monthly, okay na rin yung application form, okay na rin yung requirements, wala na tayong ibang gagawin kundi isubmit na yung ating application sa mga bangko and sa TFS. Ano nga ba yung TFS? Marami nagtatanong sa amin ito. TFS or TFSPH is Toyota Financial Services Philippines. All Toyota dealers nationwide can process your application with TFS. Mapalising man yan or retail, TFS will surely able to extend their capacity to help you achieve your dream car. After natin ma-process ang application, syempre meron din yan initial interview via phone call or of course via field CI if necessary. Kagaya nga ng sabi ko, this is to verify your profile and source of income. Then kapag okay na, we'll be waiting for the application status or yung CI report. This would normally take days or depende sa profile and source of income. Every application or client has different profiles, source of income, address, etc. That is why hindi rin pare-parehas ang time frame ng ating mga approval. Some would take days or even weeks. The point is, dapat correct details and sufficient documentation para dagdag points and mas mabilis ang process. Then eto na nga, eto na yung pinakamimithi nating approval. The next thing to do is payment. Need lang natin magbayad ng ating down payment sa Toyota Otis. Pwede rin kayo mag-deposit sa bank account ni Toyota Otis or via online transfer or over the counter. After that, signing na tayo ng loan documents. It is much easier if mag-sign na tayo ng mga loan documents bago ang schedule ng release para less hassle and ma-check na natin agad if may mga discrepancies pa sa ating mga requirements. That way, may time pa tayo para makapag-ayos kung ano pa man ang dapat nating ayusin. So once okay na ang lahat ng documents and paid na ang down payment, pwede na nating i-release ang sasakyan on your preferred day. On your release day, dito namin i-turn over ang inyong sasakyan as well as yung mga documents na need nyo to secure and importante while owning a vehicle. We will also introduce you to our customer service and other department para mas ma-familiarize nyo ang aming dealer for your next visit. Owning a Toyota vehicle isn't just using the vehicle. Siyempre, kailangan din natin ito alagaan at ipa-service or ipa-maintenance dito sa Toyota Otis. Our advice, pay good attention of your vehicle's condition every time. Pay your dues on time and we'll always keep in touch to support you all the way through. So, yan ang basic process for applying for an auto loan. Minsan may mababago sa process, depende sa sitwasyon, pero in any case, we encourage you guys to always check with us here at Toyota Otis regarding your application concerns. So, this is again JJ Enrile, marketing professional here sa Toyota Otis. Peace.